Hello everybody, just showing my latest creation. It's an old clock from the 1972. I think it's called a Ryman time clock. If you're from the 70s you probably remember them. You used to wind them up, it's a play a tune. Well, I've transformed into a ghost detector. It's not like the other detectors with a sensor on the front. This goes by radar microwave sensor. It's active all the way around the clock, from front to back. It's active all the way around up to 6 meters. When it detects something, it plays a tune, and the light comes on the front. I'll show you in a minute. It takes a 9-volt battery. It's got an on-off switch at the back, so you just place the battery on it. Place the battery on the back, and away you go. Basically, it plays a tune. The more the movement, the more you move, the more it picks up movement. The more it plays, the longer it plays a tune. It's pretty sensitive. So I'll show you the back of it. Show you around it. Turn this around so I can see what I'm doing. Alright. It's quite old, so it's nice. So please be aware there's going to be some small marks on it because they're from 1972. Some kid's been playing with it. Probably it still moves on the front there like that. It's got a little light on the top there, you can see. What I'll do is I dim the lights a bit so you can see it. See it active. Back there I am. Right. Turn it on. Obviously this could pick me up straight away because I'm in a room. You've got to give it at least a minute and a half to adjust to the atmosphere around it, to the room. If I move, you'll see it should start playing. There you go, the light comes on, it starts playing a tune. The more you move, it's up to 6 meters. Remember, it can pick up movement through walls up to 6 meters. The best thing about it is if you place it in a room, say you're in a haunted location, you can place it in a room further down, and if you leave it in there and come back and view the footage, the light comes on the top and it picks it. If I move, it'll play longer. See? I'm moving about. If I stop, it'll stop. So there it is. I'm moving still, it's picking me up. Keep still. I wave my hand about, it moves, goes off. Do you like that, dear? If you like it, I'll welcome any comments, what you think about it. Any feedback. I worked very hard on this. Thank you for viewing, guys and girls. Shut up.